If your dream kitchen is one that makes cooking easier and everyday routines more enjoyable, these 15 upgrades are worth a look. We've got everything from coffee and countertop cooking to baking, prep, fresh drinks, and smarter food storage. Some links featured in this video may be affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no additional cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. Let's start with the everyday workhorses. The appliances, cookware, and prep tools that can make a noticeable difference in how your kitchen works from morning through dinner. Waiting for water to boil is one small kitchen step you can skip with an instant hot water dispenser. It keeps near boiling water ready for tea, oatmeal, hot drinks, and quick cooking tasks whenever you need it. For anyone who wants coffee shop convenience at home, this automatic coffee machine can prepare freshly brewed coffee and specialty drinks without turning the morning routine into a project. Cooking the main dish and a side at the same time gets much easier with a dual basket air fryer. The separate cooking zones are especially handy when two foods need different temperatures or cooking times. Extra oven space can be a lifesaver during busy dinners and holiday meals. This double countertop oven gives you two separate cooking areas for baking, roasting, toasting, reheating, and more. Smoothies are only the beginning with a high-powered blender like this. It can also tackle soups, sauces, dips, frozen drinks, and plenty of other recipes that benefit from serious blending power. Good knives make almost every prep job easier, and this 17-piece knife set keeps the essentials organized together. The built-in sharpening system also helps keep the blades ready for chopping, slicing, and carving. When one appliance can take over several cooking jobs, it earns its counter space. This multi-cooker can handle everything from slow-cooked meals and braising to steaming, baking, and one-pot dinners. A quality stainless steel cookware set is the kind of kitchen upgrade you can reach for every day. With pots and pans for frying, sautéing, simmering, boiling, and more, it gives you a coordinated collection for all kinds of cooking. Now we're moving into the fun extras. Tools for homemade bread and baking, faster food prep, specialty drinks, entertaining, and keeping food fresh longer. Fresh homemade bread is much less intimidating when a bread maker handles the mixing, kneading, rising, and baking for you. Add the ingredients, choose the settings, and let the machine do most of the work. Chopping, slicing, shredding, and other repetitive prep jobs can eat up a lot of time. A 9-cup food processor helps speed through those tasks so you can get ingredients ready and move on to the actual cooking. Breakfast moves a little faster with a 4-slice toaster, especially in a busy household. This one also brings a polished retro look to the countertop, so it adds style along with everyday function. For anyone who enjoys baking, a stand mixer can quickly become one of the most used appliances in the kitchen. It takes over the mixing and beating while you measure ingredients, prep pans, or work on the next step. If soft, chewable nugget ice is your favorite, having it available right on the countertop feels like a real luxury. It's perfect for iced coffee, water, sodas, mocktails, and entertaining. Fresh juice at home becomes much easier with a cold-press juicer designed to handle fruits and vegetables. It's a convenient way to turn fresh produce into juice whenever you're in the mood for it. For serious food storage, a chamber vacuum sealer can help portion bulk purchases, prepare ingredients ahead of time, and protect foods for longer freezer storage. It's especially useful for anyone who likes to meal prep or buy in larger quantities. A dream kitchen doesn't have to happen all at once. Sometimes one really useful upgrade can make cooking, prep, entertaining, or everyday routines feel noticeably better. You'll find all 15 picks through the blog and Amazon idea list linked below.